Hello and welcome back to First Secrets. Many of us are paying ignorant tax, the tax that can easily be avoided without any massive efforts. Let us consider our jobs or our professions, regardless of what your job or your profession is. You wanted to make $20,000 per year. But if you review your revenue last year, you perhaps might make $8,000 per year or $9,000 per year. And the difference is either 11,000 or 12,000 USD. And where that difference comes from? That difference comes from, first, either you do not know how to go through and make that difference, or you do not know how to make that difference, or you do not have a knowledge in order to close that gap of 11,000 or 12,000 USD per year, or you have not done anything in order to get that 11,000 or 12,000 per year. And that is the ignorant tax, the fact that you do not know, the fact that you have not tried, the fact that you have not invested effort in order to close the gap. That is the ignorant tax that you are going to pay. In order to avoid paying ignorant tax, then there are two things that you have to do. First, that is the mindset. You have to have a mindset in a way that you innovate the way and strategies that you carry out your work and you execute your work. For example, the strategies and the methods that you have been using for years, let's say 5-6 years ago, might not be effective enough or efficient in order to carry out and perform your work. The second thing is the skill set. The knowledge that you had 3, 4, 5 years ago might not be efficient enough in order to execute your work nowadays, because the technology is advancing every day. So you need to keep up with the technology and try to gain the skills that are required in order to perform your work. And if you do so, then you will be able to avoid unneeded payment of the taxes. You will avoid paying taxes without any need. If you get value out of this video, then don't forget to like it and also share it with your friends and family members. And if you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe it. This is Bele Foor.